This is Clementia Jenifer from the Department of Computer Science, and I'm here to demonstrate the programming on Q. The header file used in this program is hash include iostream using namespace std, and I have declared the data type as int. Q of 5 is the array used. On the front, I have declared it as -1, and the rear I have declared also as -1. Next, the function is void mq, and there I have declared the data type as int, and the variable is number. Now I have used an if statement, a conditional statement saying where is equal to 5, then the logical AND is being used, and the front is lesser than or equal to 5. If the statement is true, it comes up to the output statement as a Q is full, and N line is used to jump to the next line. If the statement is false, it goes to the else statement, where it stays the cout statement. Enter the number, and the number will be entered, and Q rear is equal to the number, and the rear is incremented, which means it is post incremented. And the next function used is void deq, and there again integer is declared, saying the variables is number and I, and again if statement, a conditional statement if is used, saying the front is equal to where. If this condition is true, and then the output statement, the Q is empty is being displayed, and then the N line. If this is false, else statement will be executed, saying number is equal to Q of front, where the front is post incremented, and again the cout statement states is deleted element, and the number will be executed, and it is the N line. Next is the void display. That function has been executed, and the data type is as int I, and temp is equal to front. And again a conditional if is being used, where the front is equal to where means the cout statement, the Q is empty, will be displayed. If this statement is false, then the else statement will be executed, saying the cout, the context in the Q will be displayed. Next, the for loop statement is being used, where I is equal to temp, and I lesser than or equal to where, and I plus plus. If this statement is true, the cout Q will be printed. And next, the cout N is used for the next line. Here comes the main function, where the data type is int, and ch I is equal to 1. Next, a while loop is being used, where if I is equal to 2, is equal to 1, then there are the following output statements, where first enter your choice, add element, delete element, display, and exit. And again we are going to give a choice, which will be as the input, and next a switch statement is used, where in the first case it is NQ, in the second case it is DQ, in the third case it is display, and the fourth case where I is equal to 5. Break statement is used to terminate to that particular case, and if all of it is false, then default statement cout will be executed as enter valid choice. And again we have to enter the valid choice that the program gets finished. Now I'm going to run the program. Now I'm going to enter a choice as now add element. I'm giving it as add element, enter the choice, and the number is 2, and again I'm giving the add element, and again the number is 4, and now I'm going to display, and you can see the contents in the queue is 2 and 4, and now I'm going to give again 1, and now again I'm going to give the enter the number as 5, and now again I'm going to display it, and there you can find out the contents, and 4 it gets executed.